Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. We have got your fire sale sneak peek video for August 13th, 2020. Thursday night fire sale, remember? All right, so the first item that we have for sale is going to be a burgundy pair of leggings. They are size extra large. They're more like jeggings, $20. $20 is what we're gonna have for those. Then number two is going to be a Mason Jewels size large red V-neck sweater. Then number three is going to be a JM collection, an XXL peach pair of basically elastic waistband pants, $20 for that one. Number four is a Charter Club petite large blue dress that will be $20. Then we're going to wander on back down to number five. This is a security camera that we're only selling for $20. Here, let me get the sticker off so you can kind of look at it a little more. So it's a security camera that attaches with your phone. So those are awesome. I actually am installing some of those myself. Number six is a pair of skinny leggings that are denim. They're jegging leggings, have this cool gold stripe down the side. They are size 10 and they are $15. Then number seven is $15. It's a VR cam, another security system thing. We got these out of those camera boxes, $15. Then number eight is a really, really beautiful Charter Club blue and gold petite large for $10. Then we're going to wander back to the back of the table all the way. Number nine is a Style & Company petite medium blue sweater, $20. And then we have number 10. Let me have you look at that. That is number 10 is $35, is an HD sport camera. And we have two of those available, 25 bucks. Number 11 is an extra large white turtleneck that is from Alfani, $30. Then number 12 is a Polaroid tripod case for $5. So perfect for that. Then number 13 down here at the bottom is a really awesome International Concepts 2X blue shirt. It's got a cool, neat tag on it, but $30 for that International Concepts beautiful color blue top. And then number 14 is a JM collection large orange shirt for $25. Then number 15 is a Thalia Sodi black jumper. It's a pantsuit, extra large for $40. Number 16 is a Style & Company brown shirt, size large for $25. What number are we on? Number 17 is a really cool pair of black pants, jeans, size 14. They have cool beaded work on the legs, which are really, really cool. So that is number 17 for $20. Then number 18 is a really cute pink sweater by Style & Company. It's a size medium and it's two-toned. It actually is a different color on the bottom of the sweater for 20 bucks. Then number 19 is $20 for these pair of Tahari black pants that are 12 petite, $20. Now this number 20, I really want you to look at really well. This is a gnome home lamp. There's the lampshade, but if you look at the bottom, it's a little gnome home, and you can have actually put little people in there and stuff. It's actually handmade by an artisan local in our area, and we'll be selling that for $100. He can make other ones like it, but no one will be the same. So this is a really cool gnome home. We're selling it from a local artisan, $100 for this gnome home, and it is a fully functioning lamp. So you get to see that a little bit more on the next one. Then we're going to quickly jump over and kind of avoid looking at all the mess to number 21, which is this cool backpack camera bag. Let me show you. Now that is a camera bag right there. That's number 21, and it's going to be $40. Then number 22 is a Karen Scott blue top that is size large. Sorry, I got that in the way. Yep, it's kind of a turtleneck. Number 22, $5 for that. Then number 23 is a JM collection black top size extra large for $30. Then number 24 is a Mason Jewels gray top XXL for $15. And then number 25 is a Karen Scott white top size extra large, $15. Then number 26 is all the way in the back. It's a really, really pretty Charter Club blue top with a silver band around the neckline. And so number 26 is $20. Number 27 is a pink Charter Club sweater that is extra large for $25. Number 28 is a Style & Company gray cardigan, medium in size, for $30. 29 is a Style & Company blue sweater, size large, for $20. Look at that, cool, pretty, it's so soft. Number 30 is a blue Style & Company top that is petite large, really cool, nice designs on this. It's a lightweight sweater. We're on number 31 is a Charter Club purple dress that is petite medium, really sharp looking dress, $35. Then number 32 is a black sweater, Style & Company medium, $10. Then number 33 is a Style & Company white sweater, extra large, for $25. Number 33. That's kind of got some gold and silver flecks in it. And then number 34 is Let's Bring Winter Into the Season. It's a Style & Company gray snowflake sweatshirt, size medium, for $20. Then number 35 is a beautiful Karen Scott burgundy sweater, size medium, for $15. Then we're going to wander around back to the back of the table and we'll look at that. Number 36 is a sports camera. Let me go ahead and tip it up for you. $20 for this sports camera. $20 for that. Kind of like a GoPro. Number 37 is a JM Collection red and black top, petite medium, for $10. Then number 38 is a Style & Company black jacket, petite large, for $30. Number 39 is a Style & Company gray sweater, medium, for $15. Number 40 is a Thalia Sodi yellow top, extra large, for $20. And then I think 41 is on the next table. So we're going to walk around some boxes. Hi. All right, I hope you're enjoying the camera work. Faith is helping me today. Number 41 is a Karen Scott gray cardigan, extra large, for $25. Number 42 is a Karen Scott gray sweater, size large, for $15 with cool stripes on it and a bunch of other colors. Number 43 is a Thalia Sodi black top, extra large, for $20. Got some cool lace detail on that one. Then number 44 is this Karen Scott large, extra large black poncho with ruffles on the edges. Then number 45 is this beautiful pink top that has lace right here on the top part of it, and then it's a solid color on the bottom. Very, very cute. Number 45 is pink top, petite medium, $15. And then number 46 is actually a photo backdrop, and I'm going to get a picture for you. It's got like a wedding scene in the background, but a really cool scene for this photo backdrop, and it's only $20. Normally photo backdrops run anywhere from $60 to $80. Believe me, I know because I bought some. All right, then we have number 47 is a Baldini black top, size 3X, with this has got like a halter neck on it with some kind of brass goldish bling on it. Hopefully you got to see me unbox it. And number 48 is a Karen Scott white sweater, size large, with kind of that black speckles in it. Number 49 is a red Thalia Sodi top, size extra large, with some black lace on it. Number 50 is a JM Collection burgundy size 2X top. Number 51 for $15 is a Karen Scott black sweater, size large. Number 52 is a Karen Scott brown cardigan, size XXL. Number 53 is a Karen Scott blue top, size medium. And then number 54 is a Style & Company black and white sweater with a cowl neck and some buttons, is a 1X for $30. Number 55 is a pair of 18 long denim blue jeans that are Style & Company, and they are low rise. Then we're going to wander on back up to the top of the table. This is a Superman photo backdrop. If you got to see my second camera video, you got to see the Superman photo backdrop. $20 is all I'm asking for that. And so you'll be able to see that if you watch the second camera video that I did for the 888 lots unboxing. Then number 57 is a Karen Scott white top with this beautiful white detail at the top. Size large, $15. Then we have a Karen Scott burgundy sweatshirt, number 58, petite large for $10. Then you saw us pull out these number 55. This is an Ivanka Trump black and white dress, size 16. Original retail is about $150. We are charging you only $50. And the same with the next Ivanka Trump black dress with the bow, which is number 60. That is a size 10, and it is also $50. Then number 61. Number 61 is a Style & Company pair of black pants, size medium, $15. They're kind of like a really thick legging jegging. All right. Pull the camera up a little bit higher. Thanks, Faith. All right, number 62 is an Alfani pink dress, 14W, $45. We have 2 of these available. Then number 63 is a pair of green Style & Company leggings, extra large, $15. Number 64 is a Style & Company blue top. That's a 2X, $20. Then number 65 is a pair of Lee denim jeans, dark wash, 16W for $20. And then number 66 is another one of those Alfani pink dresses, but these are 16W, 2 available, $45 in cost. Number 67 is a really cool Material Girl green pantsuit, really cute, size medium, $20. Number 68 is a pair of Alfani leggings, gray, 24 women petite. So 24 WP is the size, $30 is the cost. Number 69 is an Alfani pink flower dress, 20W for $40. Number 70 is a Charter Club blue pair of capris, 14W is the size, $30 is the cost. Number 71 is a Karen Scott light brown top, 3X for $5. Number 72 is a Karen Scott blue floral shirt, 1X, $15. Then number 73, these are really cool. I'm going to hold one up for you. Okay, if you've been watching the Extreme Boxing show on Tuesday nights on A&E on 10 p.m. Eastern Time, you will notice that all of the characters and cast members always say, oh, that's $20 all day long, or that's $15 all day long, or I can make money on this all day long. It just means we're going to make money all the time. So we had some specifically hooked on Pickin all day long signs made. So we have 2 of those available just like this. They have a cool stand on the back to hold them up, and they'll sit up just like that for $10 a piece, and there's 2 available. So tell me if you like those. I have a guy that makes them for me, and he'll make more if you guys want them. Number 74 is a Style & Company orange top. This one is 1X, $20. Number 75 is the 2X version for $20. Number 76 is the 3X version for $20. So hopefully you guys like those. And then of course, my favorite sign ever is number 77 for $10. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. So we have 4 of those ready. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed the fire sale.